Good afternoon, students. Okay, and previous class already discussed the compound, that is definite integral as a limit of a sum. Now I'll discuss few properties of definite integral. Very important properties for definite integral. Write down properties of definite integral. I'll discuss properties of definite integral. Discuss now. Right. First property. Right. First one. Integration a to b f of x dx. We can write a to b f z dz. Just you put x in place of z. Okay. So a to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of z dz. Okay. Now number 2, suppose a to b f of x dx, we can write minus sign, limit will be changed. Limit will be changed. So a to b f of x dx equal to, you can write minus, that is b to a f of x dx. So if minus sign is there, so limit will be changed. Upper limit will be lower limit, and lower limit will be upper limit. Okay. See, a to b f of x dx equal to minus b to a f of x dx. How? So I am explaining one by one. Suppose f of x dx equal to phi x plus constant. See now, a definite integral. So constant will be 0. No need to write. So see, if you write, look at here. Suppose integration f of x dx here a to b. Suppose phi x. So here a to b. So we can write here phi b minus phi a. So you can write minus take common, phi a minus phi b. See, look at here, a to b f x dx. Suppose phi x. So minus sign is there. So b to a. So phi a minus phi b. Okay. Now number 3, right. Suppose integration a to b f of x dx, we can write integration a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. So in between, suppose interval is given a to b. So here any vertex c, then a to c, then c to b. So a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Okay. Integration a to b f of x dx equal to, you can write integration a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Suppose I am giving example. All of you know the mod x. Okay. Mod x equal to x when x greater than 0, equal to minus x when x less than 0. See, look at here, I am showing here. Suppose minus 1 to plus 1 mod x dx. So you can write here minus 1 to, in between minus 1 and 1, 0 is there. Okay. So minus 2, 1 to 0. So negative minus x dx plus 0 to 1 x dx. So, and all of you know integration, just put the value. First you integrate and upper limit, lower limit, you put the value. Okay. Now, so you remember integration a to b f of x dx equal to a to c f of x dx plus C to B f of x dx. Okay. Now, very important formula is there. Suppose 0 to a f of x dx. So you can write 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So important. Here, look at here. F of x is given. So 0 to a f of x dx. We can write here 0 to a f of a minus x dx. You put here x, a minus x, a minus, you put first a then minus x. So 0 to a f of x dx, we can write 0 to a f of a minus x dx. How to prove? Look at here. Suppose a minus x equal to constant z, then we can write dx equal to minus dz. If x equal to 0, x equal to 0, then z equal to a. See, x equal to 0, then z equal to a. X equal to a, then z equal to 0. Okay? So RHS, right hand side see, minus 0 is there a, this is 0, f of z dz. So minus sign is there, limit interchange. So you can write here integration 0 to a f of z dz. So you can write 0 to a f of x ds. First property, okay. We know 0 to x, that is a to b f of x dx equal to 10. A to b f of x dx equal to a to b f z dz. Okay. Now, so remember 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Again, right. Next property number 4 or number 5. Suppose a to b f of x dx. We can write a to b f of x dx. The sum is there. So write a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Sum of the limit here a to b is a plus b. Look at here, a plus b is there. Sum of these two minus x dx. Okay, a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x, a plus b minus x. So that side constant, this is z, you will get that part, okay. And dx equal to minus dz, and limit you have to change, you will get this. Okay. Now, again, suppose next one 0 to a f of x dx equal to n into 0 to a f of x dx. N in multiplication is there, n a, you n outside take, into 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, if condition is there, f of a plus x equal to f of x, f of a plus x equal to f of x. Keep in mind, f of a plus x equal to f of x. Okay. Now, next one. Suppose integration minus a to plus a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even function, f of minus x equal to fx, that is fx is even function integration log minus a2 plus a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, if f of x equal to even function and it will be 0, if odd function f of x is odd function. Remember, this even function and another is odd function. F of odd function, what is odd function? What is even function? A function is said to be even if f of minus x equal to fx, and a function f of x is odd function, f of minus x equal to minus fx, f of minus x equal to minus fx. Okay, next one, as I am showing here few exercise. Okay, giving some after this is okay, another is there, we'll discuss later now. So remember another is there. Suppose ddx, look at here, ddx, next one, a2, suppose x, see this limit is given, x is there, suppose f of t dt, so it will be f of x. Remember f of x ddx, it is a constant is there, a2x ft dt equal to f of x, f of x. How to go? Look at here. Suppose this part, look at here. Suppose integration f of t dt, f of t dt, okay, that is a to x, suppose phi t. So look at here, that is a x, so phi x minus phi a. Okay, now ddx is there, so ddx, this part will be this one, so phi x minus phi a. So here ddx phi x, that is phi dot x, this will be 0, constant, this is 0, phi dot x, we know this is fx, already discussed, no? Fundamental theory integral calculus. If fx be single valued and continuous function in the finite closed interval AB, then there exists a new function phi x such that phi dot x equal to fx. See, phi dot x equal to fx. Then we get this result. Okay. Now, remember this part. Only for this entrance, not board exam. Okay. This is only for entrance JEE, not for board exam. Keep in mind. Now, next one. Suppose, see, suppose 0 to pi by 2 root under sin x by root under sin x plus root cos x dx. Find the value. If we remove this one, it is not possible by integration. Not possible. With the help of definite integral, that is properties of definite integral, you can solve it. First we consider this I. So write 0 to pi by 2 root sin pi by 2 minus x by root under sin pi by 2 minus x plus root cos pi by 2 minus x root dx. 0 to pi by 2 root under sin 90 minus x, just a minus x, f of 0 to a, this property, look at here, 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This property is applied. 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay. Now this property. Okay. So using property, you have to write one side. You have to write. So write 0 to pi by 2. Here sin 9. This will be cos x. So write root under cos x by root under cos x plus root under sin x dx. So write, you can suppose this is I consider. This is I. Okay. Now I plus I, 2I. Right, add. Suppose this is I. Say this will be I. This part again consider I. Integral. I means integral here. So I. So write 2I equal to write. So we can write here I, right, 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 root cos x by root cos x plus root sin x dx at. So right, we can write 0 to pi by 2 root sin x plus root cos x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. This is cancelled. So right, 0 to pi by 2 only dx. This is x. X 0 to pi by 2 will be pi by 2. So 2i is given. So 2i equal to pi by 2. Okay. So I equal to pi by 4. Remember, I equal to pi by 4. Okay. So 2i equal to pi by 2. I equal to pi by 4. Okay. So similar type of sum is there. Okay. So answer is always pi by 4. This type of sum. Especially I am showing very important sum. You will get one question, short type question also, and long time also. This type of question will come in board exam. Okay. Suppose 0 to pi by 2. Only suppose sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Similar answer pi by 4. 0 to pi by 2. Suppose root 10x by root 10x plus root cot x dx. Also pi by 4. Okay. Similarly, suppose 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power suppose 2/3 x by cos to the power 2/3 x plus sin to the power 2/3 x dx. Always pi by 4. Okay. Always pi by 4. Suppose 0 to pi by 2 10x by 1 plus 10x dx. Okay. 10x dx. So now it will be, sorry, so this will be cot x, right? Cot x. Sin by cos. Cos by sin, no? Okay, this will be right. So write 1 by 1 plus 10x, right? So like the sin x by cos x. Cos x is out there, okay? So 1 plus sin x by cos x. So integration 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus 10x dx. This is also pi by 4. Similar property you can apply, okay? Similar property you can apply. So pi by 2 minus x, you put, it will get the result, okay? All answer pi by 4, okay? Suppose writing, say, so minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, okay? Sin to the power 7x dx. What is the result? Yes, good. Answer will be 0. See, this is odd function though. So f of x, right? sine to the power 7x. If we put here f of minus x, so sine to the power 7 minus x. So sine minus theta minus sine theta. Here, look at here, odd number is there. So here minus sine to the power 7x. Okay, so it will be minus f of x. This odd function, so the value will be 0. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sine to the power 7x dx equal to 0. If cos to the power 7x dx, no, this is not 0. Why? Now cos x is there. What type of function? Cos x? Odd function. F of minus x, that is cos minus theta. All of you know cos theta. Okay. So if we write here, suppose cos minus x, okay. Suppose minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Suppose cos to the power 5x dx. So this will be a cos even function. Okay. So you can write 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 5x dx. So now 0 to pi by 2 we can write cos to the power 4x into cos x dx. So write 2 into 0 to pi by 2. So this part you can write cos square x whole square. Okay. Now 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx. Now put sin x equal to z. Sin x equal to z. So this part will be dz, and limiting value put if 0 0 is there and pi by 2 sin 91. So this value will be 2 into 0 to 1 minus z square whole square into dz. Now this can be solved, easily solved. So 1 minus 2 z square plus z square z to the 4. Okay, and you put the value after integrating integration, and you put the value z equal to 1 and 0, then you will get the result. Keep in mind. Okay. 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 Okay, all of you learn property, all of you learn at home property, and I will give the study material also, and also I will give a few extra sums also. Okay, all practice at home. Just you should remember the property, otherwise this type of sum you can't solve. Okay, if you forget the property, then you can't solve. So all of you, what? Forgot? No. Remember, all of you remember the formula. Okay? Okay, bye. No more today.